when we talk about the day before the Modi Sarkar comes into effect, we also are told that there is a key meeting, a crucial meeting that is underway. JP Nadda has now reached Amit Shah's residence. BL Santosh is also there present. And this is a crucial BJP meeting. Pragya, what can you tell us about this meeting?
This is a meeting that has everything to do with Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi's oath ceremony. The logistics are being worked out because there are 8,000 around invitees that will be coming in Delhi tomorrow for this particular oath ceremony, and also there would be many crucial guests. There will be foreign dignitaries, there will be state leaders who have been invited. The sitting arrangement, the lodging, the food and everything that will be taken care of, where they will be deboarding, where they will be getting onto the buses, and what time will they be reaching, what are the passes that they should get, because there's the security arrangements are going to be very tightened for that ceremony especially. So everything that is being worked out right now, state presidents are given the charge. Along with state president, there are 2-3 representatives from the states, their office bearers, senior party members who will be given the charge to ensure that everyone will be seated accordingly as per the sitting plan, and also there is going to be high tea after the swearing ceremony like last time as well. So all of that I think is going to be worked out in this particular meeting. The arrangements, floral arrangements, whether it is water, tea, everything will be looked after by these people only. So to ensure that everything goes smoothly, they are ensuring that everything should go smoothly, in fact, for this meeting, and this is probably these people.
Well, this is said to be one of the biggest events, as far as around 7,000 to 8,000 guests who are expected, including foreign dignitaries who would be a part of the Modi Sarkar 3.0 swearing-in ceremony. And of course, last-minute glitches that are now being sorted, all the arrangements that have been set in place, and the information coming in that just before the swearing-in ceremony, it is expected that Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be heading to Rajghat to seek blessings from the founder of the nation.